Jai Hind to all. Today we'll do revision of chapter number 2. Today is a which date? 15th May 2020 and which day? Friday, right? Now we'll learn maths and we have completed revision of chapter number 1. So today we'll learn chapter number 2. Chapter number 2. What is the name? That learning numbers 0 to 10, right? Learning numbers 0 to 10. This chapter already we had completed, right? In this chapter you had already studied 0 to 10 numbers and also their number names. So now we'll do revision. So again we'll study it, okay? So now we'll learn numbers and number names. So first 0. So what is the spelling of 0? That Z-E-R-O 0, right? Then 0 after 1. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. Then 2. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O 2, right? Then 3. What is the spelling of 3? That T-H-R-E-E 3. Then 4. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R 4. 0 spelling Z-E-R-O 0. 1 O-N-E 1. 2 spelling T-W-O 2. Then 3 T-H-R-E-E 3. Then 4 F-O-U-R 4. Okay. Then 5. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E 5. Then 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X 6. S-I-X. Then 7. What is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N 7. Then 7 after what come? 8, right? So what is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T 8, right? 8 after 9. What is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E 9. And last one 1 0 10. What is the spelling of 10? T-E-N 10. So 5. What is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E 5. Then 6. S-I-X 6. Then 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Then 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Then 9. N-I-N-E 9. Then 1 0 10. T-E-N 10. So what we have studied, students? 0 to 10 numbers and their number names. These all number names you have to by heart. Okay. Now what you have to study? Count and write, right? So what you have to do? You have to count the objects. That how many? Then you have to write here number. See first one. Here how many stars? 1. So 1. So you have to write here 1. Then downside second one apples. So you have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is your answer? 6. Now you understood count and write. Okay. Now what we are going to study? Greater than and less than. Mark greater than or less than. Here what you have to do? Whichever numbers are big, you have to, suppose here I write 8 and 1. So which number is the big? You have to compare them. Then first you have to draw the line. 8 and 1. Now check. Which is the big number? 8. So greater than. Okay. Suppose I write 2 and 9. So 2 and 9. Compare it. Which one is the big number? 9. So you have to write less than. Means 2 is less than 9. And here 8 is greater than 1. Okay. Now see here. 4 and 7. So first what you have to do? You have to draw the line 4 and 7. Now compare them. Which one is the big number? 7, so less than, right? Next, 9 and 8. So 9 and 8 compare. Which one is the big number? Obviously 9, so greater than. Then third one, first what you have to do? Underline you have to draw. So 1 and 9. Now which one is the big number? 9, so less than. And last one, 7 and 5. So which one is the big number? 7, right? So greater than. Okay. Okay. Now what you have to learn? Before, after and between number. So first we'll learn before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Before means you suppose 2. So 2 before what comes, that you have to understand. Suppose I write here 5. So you have to think that, and you also have to speak the numbers. So by speaking numbers you can understand that what will come before 5. So if you don't understand, so what you have to do? Here 5 is there, so speak 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 before what you speak? 4, right? So your answer is 4. Suppose I write 6. 6 before. 6 before what come? So 5. Suppose I write 10. 10 before what come? Suppose you don't know. So what you have to do? You have to speak number this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 before what you speak? 9. So to write here 9. Then suppose I write here 4. 4 before what come? So you have to speak number 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 before what you speak? 3. Okay? Understood? Everyone? Now after numbers. A-F-T-E-R, after. Now suppose I write 4 after, 9 after, 1 after, 6 after. Okay? So 4 after what come? So you have to speak number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 after 5. Easy, right? And 9. 9 after what come? So you have to speak number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 after 1, 0, 10. Same way 1 after, so easy, 2, right? Then 6. So you have to speak number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 after 7. Okay? After numbers are very easy, right? Now between numbers, right? So suppose I write 4 blank 6, 7 blank 9, 2 blank 4 and 3 blank 5, right? So 4 blank 6. So again you have to speak number. So 4 after 5, 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9. Okay? Same way here. 2, then 3, 4. 3 blank 5. So 3, 4, 5. Right? Here what you have to learn? Between numbers. Means whichever numbers come in between. 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Between what come? 5. Right? So 4, 5, 6. 7 and 9. 7, 9 between what come? 8. Right? So 7, 8, 9. Same way here. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 between what come? 3. Right? So 2, 3, 4. 3 and 5. Between what come? 4. So 3, 4, 5. Okay? So now next topic, smallest to largest. So smallest to largest means you have to move from small number to the largest number. Have you seen ladder? Right? So see, I will draw here ladder. So suppose you are here, right? If you want to go here, right? So first where you have to go? Step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4, right? So you are moving from smallest number to largest number. Means first you go on 1 step, 2, 3, 4 means you are moving like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Small numbers come first, largest number come last, right? Now we'll arrange the numbers. Okay, smallest to largest. Suppose I write first, okay, 3, 1 and 2, right? So if I want to arrange smallest to largest, so first what we have to do? First we have to draw under line 3, 1 and 2. Now you have to think which one is the small number, 1, 3 or 2. You have to think. So 3, 1 and 2. So which one is the small number? 1, right? So you have to cut it and you have to write it downside. Then whichever number you have cut, again you do not have to see. Okay. Now you have only two numbers, 3 and 2. Now again you have to think which one is the small number, 3 or 2? 2. So you have to cut it and write here. Last only one remains. So obviously 3. Cut it and write down here. 1, 2 and 3. Happen smallest to largest. Okay. Now we'll take next example. Okay. 6, 4 and 3. So first what we have to do? We have to draw underline. So 6, 4 and 3. Now think which one is the small number? 6, 4 or 3? 3. So cut 3 and write first. Then 6 and 4. Compare it. Which one is the small number? 6 or 4? 4. So cut it and write here. Now only one remains. So 6 cut and write here. This way you have to arrange smallest to largest number. First what you have to do? You have to draw underline. Then you have to check which one is the small number. Then you have to cut it and write it first. Then again you have to check and write second number and then third number. This way you have to arrange smallest to largest number. Okay. Now largest to smallest. So here what you have to do? You have to arrange numbers from largest to smallest. Okay. So see, I will draw here later. In smallest to largest, what I told you, you have to going up. Now you have to going down, right? See, here I will write 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, right? Means largest number to smallest number. Okay? 5 is the largest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 means going down, right? Now you are going here down. Okay? Now we'll arrange numbers largest to smallest. First what we have to do? Same as in smallest to largest, what we had did? First draw underline, then check which one is the small. But here what you have to do? In largest to smallest, you have to draw underline. Then you have to check which one is the big number, means large number. Now first one, 1, 8, 7. So first draw underline 1, 8, 7. Now think which one is the big number, 1, 8 or 7? 8. So cut 8 and write it first. Then 1 and 7. Check which one is the big number, 1 or 7? 7. So cut it and write second position. Then only one remains. So cut it and write here. Understood? 8, 7 and 1. Happen largest to smallest. Okay. Same way. 5, 9 and 6. So first draw underline 5, 9, 6. Now think which one is the big number, 5, 9 or 6? 9. So cut it and write here. Then 5 and 6. Which one is the big, 5 or 6? 6. So cut it and write here. And last only one remains. So 5 cut and write here. Happen 9, 6 and 5. So now I think you understood largest to smallest how you have to arrange. Okay. Okay, now we have completed revision of chapter number 2. Okay, bye.